Have you ever wondered what happens to bees during the winter? As temperatures drop and snow blankets our gardens, these vital pollinators face numerous challenges. In today's video, Winter Wonderland for Bees, How to Help Pollinators Survive the Cold, we'll delve into the fascinating world of bees in winter and explore practical ways you can help them thrive. 1. Understanding bees in winter. Before diving into how we can assist, let's first understand what bees are up against during the colder months. Unlike birds, bees don't migrate to warmer climates. Instead, they have unique ways of surviving the winter right in our backyards. Honeybees, for example, cluster together inside their hive, vibrating their bodies to generate heat. This remarkable strategy keeps the queen and her colony warm, even when outside temperatures plummet. On the other hand, solitary bees, like mason bees, spend winter in a dormant state within their nesting tunnels. 2. Providing shelter. One of the most effective ways to help bees during winter is by providing shelter. This can be as simple as leaving parts of your garden untouched. Piles of leaves, deadwood, and undisturbed ground offer perfect hideouts for solitary bees and other pollinators. You can also create or buy a bee hotel. These structures, filled with tubes and holes, mimic the natural nesting sites of solitary bees, providing a safe haven during the winter months. 3. Winter-friendly garden. Your garden can be a winter refuge for bees with the right plants. Evergreen plants, winter-flowering shrubs, and trees provide much-needed food sources when other plants have died back. Plants like winter heather, mahonia, and snowdrops not only add color to your winter garden, but are also vital for bees searching for nectar. 4. Avoiding chemicals. The use of chemicals in your garden can be detrimental to bees. During winter, it's especially important to avoid pesticides and herbicides. These substances can harm bees directly or indirectly by contaminating their food sources. Embracing organic gardening practices can make a significant difference in the survival of bees in your area. 5. Water sources. Bees need water, even in winter. A shallow water source in your garden can be a lifeline for bees on warmer winter days. You can create a bee-friendly water station by filling a shallow dish with pebbles and water, ensuring the bees have a place to land and drink without the risk of drowning. 6. Supporting local beekeepers. Local beekeepers play a crucial role in maintaining healthy bee populations. By buying local honey, you're not only getting a delicious product, but you're also supporting the beekeepers' efforts in caring for bees. Additionally, consider attending local beekeeping courses or workshops to learn more and spread awareness. As we've seen, helping bees survive the winter doesn't require grand gestures. Simple steps like providing shelter, planting the right flowers, avoiding chemicals, offering water sources, and supporting local beekeepers can make a substantial difference. So, as we embrace the beauty of our winter gardens, let's remember our buzzing friends and the critical role they play in our ecosystem. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What steps are you taking to help bees in your garden this winter? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Garden Club for more insightful gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!